Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today our topic is how to make money online with Google AdSense in 2022. Before we start our video, make sure that you subscribe my channel so you can get the latest videos. Let's get started. We would like to show you how to start making money with Google AdSense. Keep in mind that we will only be focusing on AdSense and optimizing your ads. We are not going to discuss creating a website that generates traffic. To effectively use this guide, you will already need a website that's generating traffic, or you should be busy building one. What is Google AdSense and how does it work? AdSense is an ad network that content publishers and publishers connect their websites to the ad network, thereby allowing advertisers to bid for displaying their ads on those websites. If a website visitor clicks or views an ad, the publishers get paid a specific portion of the advertisers bid for an ad. Google takes the difference as free. How to apply for an AdSense account? What do you need? Google is very particular about who they allow into their ad network. They want to keep the quality of websites high and maintain the integrity of their ad network. There are some basic requirements every publisher needs to adhere to. You need to be 18 years old, have an effective Gmail account that's not linked to an AdSense account, have a website that meets all of Google terms of services. You need to comply with the Google program policies, but we also recommend a few additional requirements to ensure you get accepted. This includes having a website with at least 30 pages of unique content that's 3 months old and generating some traffic. The more traffic your website generates, the better and the higher your earning potential. Different types of AdSense ads. Once you are approved, you are ready to start running AdSense ads and generate ad revenue. Before you do that, it's best to understand the different types of ads units. There are 5 different types of AdSense ad units. These include display in feeds and article matched content and links ads. Display ads. Typically, these display ad unit there are responsive and fit in most screen size. These also work with the most everywhere. This type of an ad can be responsive and automatically adapt to screen size of the device where it's being served. It can also be configured to have fixed sizes and compatible with AMP. In feed ads, native ads that fit in feeds, sidebar or list. They flow naturally and provides a better user experience. In article ads, native ads that fit within the content of an article without disrupting the reading experience. Match content ads, ads that recommend your website content to user, which help increase page views, user time on page, and their potential to click on your ads. Link ads, ads in a text link format that can be responsive or view a fixed size display topics relevant to your page content. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. So take care. Good.